In this lesson, we will discuss about verb. Let's begin. Verb shows action like run, eat, etc. It can also shows state like is, was, etc. And also some occurrence like happen, become, etc. Let's see some examples. He runs fast. Here, run is a verb. I can cook. Here, can is a verb. He is a doctor. Here, is a verb. Now we'll talk about some types of verbs by which you can understand the verb's actual purpose and actions. Let's begin. Action verb. Some physical, mental, or any other action are inside action verbs. Like run, jump are physical action. Think, believe are mental action. Let's see some examples. We sing together. Sing is the action verb. He believes he can do it. Here, believe is the action verb. She speaks French. Here, speak is the action verb. Next, we'll talk about linking verb. Linking verb links the subject to a description or condition only. It doesn't take any action. Be, be means am, is, are, was, were are called be verbs. Appear, seem, become, feel, look. Those are generally used for linking verb. Let's see some examples. The sky is blue. No action, just telling something. He seems tired. No action. This food smells good. No action, just linking food with good. Auxiliary verb. This type of verbs just help main verb. Primary auxiliaries are be, do, have, and modal auxiliaries are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Let's see some example. She is studying. Here, study is the main verb and is the auxiliary or helping verb, which is helping study. I have finished my work. Here, have is the auxiliary verb. I do not understand the instructions. Here, do is the auxiliary verb. Final one is I should try. Here, should is the auxiliary verb. Transitive verb. It takes a direct object that receives an action. Let's see some more. You can ask question what who or what, and if you get answer, then it is transitive verb. Like she reads a book. She reads what? A book. So reads is the transitive verb. I called him. I called whom or who? Him. So called or call is also a transitive verb, and its opposite is intransitive verb. It does not take a direct object, and it is used with adverb or adverbial phrase is generally. And if you ask question with who or what, you'll not get any answer, or you cannot ask this type of question with verb. The baby sleeps. The sentence ends here. The dog runs in the park. The dog runs. Runs who or what? You cannot ask question. And runs is a adverb. Sorry, in the park is a adverb. The man walks slowly. Here you cannot ask who or what with what. Walks who? Walks what? You cannot ask this type of question here. Modal verb. Those are auxiliary verbs you saw before. It express ability, permission, possibility, necessity, and more. Can, could, may are generally used. I'm not talking more about modal verbs because I will make a separate video because modal verb is vast. So I'll make some separate video and we'll learn better. Let's see some examples. He can run fast. Can is auxiliary verb, modal verb. I should try. I should try. Should is the modal verb. That's all for today. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share, or subscribe. Thank you.